Greetings. I want to bring to your attention, we always say that malignant narcissists lie, cheat, and backstab, and you know all about, for those who have encountered malignant narcissist or psychopath or sociopath, you know what you went through. I have pinpointed exactly what is their real core, at the very core of their being. And this explains everything. Everything about how they think, how they behave, how they manipulate us, how they emotionally torture us, and how they can go as far as making a character or cruel character assassination of you. Okay, and what it is, they are, because of the way it is clearly understood now in the scientific community, that psychopaths, sociopaths, and malignant narcissists are different. At least in the alternative scientific community. And what they are basically, and it is natural for them to, okay, so I will read what I shared to one of my friends. Yesterday I realized that they all, and I mean all inclusive, use black magic, and it's natural for them because they are black magicians at their core. So not only they do practice black magic, but it is natural to them. They don't have to be taught to practice black magic. Now I'm going to read a very interesting article. I will put the link in the video description. The title of the article is "Malignant Narcissists Practice Black Magic." And it's starting by saying, this is a really powerful video by Smackintosh of Gospel Underground, who was the scapegoat and black sheep between commas of his own family, but because of that, is also the only one in his family who can see the truth about what their agenda really is. And I will put the video of Macintosh as a card, because I've watched some of his videos and it's always helpful. Continuing to read. I love listening to him speak because you can tell he really feels what he's saying. He does, because he's lived it. If your entire family has turned against you, it's probably because one or sometimes two malignant narcissists have used cunning and deception to gaslight you and project their own evil onto you, while making themselves seem blameless and sometimes even getting others to believe you are the abuser and they are the victim. It's a kind of sleight of hand or black magic they practice, even if they're not aware they're practicing it, that puts others under a powerful spell and holds them in thrall to the narcissist who has targeted you. I would disagree with the fact that even if they are not aware they're practicing it, the one who targeted me very viciously sure is aware of it. Continuing to read. You may also have come to believe their lies, that you're stupid, crazy, a loser, evil, abusive, or anything else that's being projected onto you. You were the sacrificial lamb in their rite of deception. You have been targeted because you, unlike the other non-targeted family members or other members of the group, who are either flying monkeys or enable the narcissist, possess the ability to see the truth through the narcissist's lies. They hate and fear that, and that's why they hate and fear you. They must diminish you and make you look bad, and they are very skilled at convincing others what they say is true, and you are the liar and sometimes even the abuser. They are very good at turning people against you, so no one will believe you. If someone is a black sheep of their family or has been scapegoated or disowned, suspect a malignant narcissist in the background who succeeded in turning everyone against them. The movie Mommy Dearest tells the story of how Joan Crawford targeted her daughter Christina and abused her for years because Christina was able to see the empty void underneath her mother's glamorous, perfect between commas image. Ultimately, she was left out of the will and not in contact with anyone in the family except her brother Christopher, who was also scapegoated. At some point, I'll be writing up a review of the film. The same sort of deception can be used to turn an entire community or even a nation against what is right and good by just one or two evil people and their flying monkeys. Hitler's Germany is a perfect example. So I'll put the link in the video description. And it's published by Lucky Authors Haven, August the 1st, 2015. And I will put the link in the video description. I'm trying to find about the person who wrote it. This is a person who went through a lifetime of narcissistic abuse. In their About Me corner. So I will put also the link in the video description about the author. Seems a very insightful place to visit. Thanks for listening.